guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing well. If this is your first time, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click the notification bell so whenever I upload video you will be notified. And if you are subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys another easy remedy to get rid of pimple. Like I said in my last video, remedy video, I told you guys that there is a lot of remedy to get rid of pimple. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use onion to get rid of your pimple, to get rid of pimple from your face. Yeah, you can see the pimple on my face before. It's no longer there. It's just the scar. There's no pimple again. It's just the scar that is there. These ones, they are not pimple, they are rashes. So I will also make a remedy on that, so I can just clear my face once and for all. This is the only place I'm having rash and pimples was here before. The last remedy I showed you guys, that was what I used to get rid of this pimple, and it's just remaining the scar. There's no more pimple. You can see there's no pimple, it's just the scar. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just get right into the video on how you can use onion to get rid of pimples. Alright guys, now I'm just going to chop one part of the onions and transfer it into the blender. You also be needing lemon, okay? You'll be needing lemon for the remedy. So guys, let's chop the onion and transfer it to the blender. I'm going to use just one part of the onions. I blended the onion. I'm going to strain it into a bowl. You can use it like that if you wish, but I just want to strain mine, okay? You can use it like that. I'm going to strain it into the bowl. Next thing, I'm gonna put in some lemon, a little bit of lemon. Let me say a teaspoon of lemon. Gonna add it to the onion juice. So our remedy is ready. So guys, our remedy is ready. It's ready. You can see, just easy remedy. I'm gonna use my cotton wool to apply it on the area which I have pimple. So you can apply it all over your face if you want, but I'm just gonna apply it on this area. So just to show you guys an example. So when I want to sleep, I will apply it and just leave it till dawn, because later I will go and take my evening bath. So after taking my bath, I will just apply it here and leave it overnight. So guys, this is the remedy. It's nice. You need to try this out, guys. We have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and useful, please subscribe and thumbs up, and also share my video, okay? Share this video. See you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time, I remain your baby girl Friday Charity. Please give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. Bye bye.